And nice to have you back. This is part 5, and this is also the final part. So, yeah, sit back and relax and enjoy. I will tell you some things about what I'm doing. In this case, I thought these journal cards were way too empty. They could really use a little bit of a touch up. And I'm going to do that with the Remnant drops, the specimens, and I already did some stamping. I used the stamp set from, it is called Mini Glitch. So far for the background, I also added some colors with Archival Ink, the Red Geranium. Yeah, just to, otherwise I thought it was a little bit too white. So these specimen remnant rubs also have cute little insects. The measurements are perfect for these little cards. So every card will get his own little bug. And you can see the difference when you have a lot of white area and when you have a little bit of embellishments. I still thought there was too much white, so I grabbed the mica stain, the distressed mica stain flickering candle, and also the empty tomb, yeah, just to add some splatters. And we already talked about your beautiful memories and stories about your Halloween, your costumes, and your experience with Halloween. And so, yeah, me and my husband were taking a look at our own photos, and we saw some cute ones from our children. And I said, yeah, I really would love to add that to this project for a personal touch. So on the photo, that is my little boy, that is Jaden, and I think this was maybe one of his first Halloweens on, I think in America it's called kindergarten. For the Dutchies it is peuterspeelzaal. So for the back of the photo, I'm just placing a little, yeah, some little pieces of scrap paper, some remnant rubs. Yeah, so just when you take a look at the photo, you will see a little bit of interest left and right and bottom. So also little details on the smallest pieces of paper. Yeah, just pay attention to what you want to achieve. And yeah, for me, it's putting my effort into a project and yeah, make it interesting for your eyes. So my eyes were drawn to these little pieces of paper of the tag popping out on the side. It was empty, so I got my field notes stamp set out and yeah, covered a little bit of the areas that are too wide or too plain. And in this case, it's also sticking out on the top, so very visible. Yeah, I would like to make it attractive. So we are heading back over to the file folder I made before. And we also have a daughter, and you will see her here on the picture. And this is Haley. Right now she's 7 years old, but like I said, we dove into our older pictures. And I think maybe this was her first time putting on like face paint and everything, and being a little princess also for preschool. Yeah, she's just adorable. I really love that picture. And the snippets are perfect for these little details, just to finish off your, well, in this case, a photo card or a journal card. You really need these little pieces to, yeah, to make it work. Thank you very, very much for your time and effort to take a look at this 5-part series of the mini booklet. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Thank you.